Schedule here on the Shakey's V-League here on GMA News TV. And those watching on the stream, glad you're with us. Hope you're enjoying, tagging along. Semana is rejected. Caballero.
Say that again, say that again.
Ano siya?
Semana is rejected. Semana naging spiker.
Okay, that's rare.
Semana.
Oh. So that caught your fancy. 16-15, that doesn't happen every day.
No, because we all know that Semana is really a good spiker as well.
Yeah,
so.
actually, not. I mean, I really feel converted yan eh. Oh, you are such a smart lady.
Easy does it. But you know that two setters who make it three. Tina Salak was a
Yeah.
really good spiker converted into a
Yeah.
setter. Ruby De Leon can be a good spiker.
Yeah.
She's shown that. And Semana.
That's why they know how to give it as well to their spikers. Now, this is the pressure cooker point of the game. 18-15. I'm looking at Air Force. And Clarence Esteban is looking at his team. They're groping for form here. Fun family pizza gotta be Shakey's.
Again, misreception.
Semana adjusting in the air. Ang layo na tinatakbo ni Wendy, ah. Is she out of position or may adjustment? Nag-adjust ba ng laro? Hindi na siya spiker, ano?
No, they put in Andaya to serve as a setter.
Yeah, no? Binago nila ng konti, no? Anyway, 18-16 or 16-18.
So, you know, obviously, Coach Clarence sensing that this is a crucial part of the set, the set and the match. So, trying to take advantage of three, you know, the full front line for Air Force. So, Semana being an attacker as well.
And a lundag. That's exactly what you want to do. Sabay sa lundag ng isa. Huwag lang higante yung isa. Jonella. This is also a very smart player.
19-17.
Tipachot.
Alam mo, kahit sa telenovela, actually, nantay, nakangiti sila eh. Hindi gaya ng Korean telenovela at saka Pilipino. Drama-drama eh, di ba? Antay telenovela, merong komedyante, merong tatawa talaga. A little like ours in a way. Land of smiling people talaga ang Thailand eh. Oh boy, turning point ito. Turning point. You gotta call a timeout. Now that's in the mind of Clarence Esteban. He knew it. Lamang sa numero ng set ang Cagayan Rising Suns with an S, of course. Maraming araw kasi sa Cagayan siguro. No? Nice name, nice name.
Yeah, but no, you know, Coach Clarence really just reminding his girls that di pa tapos yan, but you have to go above what you're playing right now.
And he's got a veteran crew. He knows they can do it. 2018. 18 will be serving against 20. They're down at this juncture. Yonko's back in, pulling out Andaya.
Another full front row for Air Force.
Wow,
good
down the
dig.
middle. And but a good dig. Caballero adjusting. Going lefty. Maiso. Too casual. And Go blocks it.
That felt good.
Yeah.
Lisette Darius, serving.
21-18.
You can hear the coaching staff of the Air Force saying, "Kapit."
Joy Casas. Lilipat at sa baba ng...
Oh,
Attack error.
sa ilalim na dukot yung bola, no?
yeah. Well, that was crucial.
Baka yan na yung break point ng game. 22-18. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung may pagkakapitan pa itong Air Force. Yonko. It's outside. It's outside.
23-18 is the score with Cagayan on top. Lucette Dawes serving.
Just spirited competition here.
No, but you know why? You rarely hear a coach say that eh.
Yung ulit.
Sinabi na niya, magkamali tayo, angat ka pa rin.
Oh.
Shrug it off.
Oh.
For the
And when you go up to attack, you attack
at match.
with force.
Hindi yung
With
alam niya.
conviction, sorry,
Hindi
with
yung feeling mo
conviction.
hindi yung feeling mo kang talo ka na.
Oh.
That's a great
Even
point.
block, sabi niya, kung mag-block ka, don't do it for the heck of it. You do it with conviction.